antibacterial sulfa containing the drugs which is the sulfasalazine. It is the different from the sulfa on the their use because sulfasalazine it is normally used for the treatment of the ulcerative colitis. So ulcerative colitis, this is the intestinal problem with the colitis, mean it is the ulcer in the colon. So it is a type of the IBD. IBD is known as the inflammatory bowel disease. It is the two types. One is the Crohn's disease, which affects the all the GI part except the colon part, and another one is the ulcerative colitis, which is the only affect the colon part. So sulfasalazine, this is the important and sulfa containing the which is the normally used for the intestinal infection. So this sulfasalazine, it is the structure. This is the sulfasalazine. If you see the structure, this is the sulfasalazine which is the having the azo-linking at that portion. There is the azo-linking, and it is the azo-linking having at the end 4th position of that. It is the having the end 4th position as SO2 NH. It is the attached with the heterocyclic compound, that is the pyridine. So pyridine containing this sulfonamide drug, this is the known as the sulfapyridine. এটা sulfapyridine already previous class discussion হয়েছে. This is the sulfa containing drug, and another one is that this is the by the azo linking, it is the attached with the compound which is the salicylic acid. So when it is the reaches at the salicylic acid, it is the contain salicylic acid, and at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position, it is the attached the sulfapyridine drug. So when it is the reaches at the in the large intestine, it's the breakdown of the azo-linking occurs, and it is the produce the two different compound. One is the 5-amino salicylic acid, and another one is the sulfapyridine. So this sulfapyridine is the now free for the elicit the pharmacological action, and that is the here it is the produces the antibacterial action. On another one is the 5-amino salicylic acid. So তোমরা বুঝতে পারলে যে সালফাসালাজিন এটি নরমালি কোলনের ইনফেকশন ট্রিট করার জন্য, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ইন্টেস্টিনাল ইনফেকশন ট্রিট করার জন্য ইউজ হয়, which is the part of the IBD. Another part is the Crohn's disease, যেটা নরমালি কোলন বাদে ইন্টেস্টাইন বাদে যে সমস্ত জিআই এর পার্ট আছে ফ্রম দা মাউথ এন্ড সেখানে এফেক্ট করে, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য Crohn's disease. Normally the boswellic acid, this is the another one example, that is a naturally obtained compound obtained from the Boswellia serrata. This is the usually normally it is the used for the treatment of the Crohn's disease, and sulfasalazine which is the used for the ulcerative colitis, or that is the in the short form we denoted as the UC. So sulfasalazine, it is the drug which is the protecting by the N4 amino group is the protecting by the azo group, so that it is when reaches at the large intestine, এটা যখন লার্জ ইন্টেস্টাইনে পৌঁছায়, এটা this is the azo link breakdown হয়ে যায় এবং এটা ফ্রি সালফাপাইরিডিন কে ফ্রি করে, এবং যেটা নরমাল যে ফার্মাকোলজিক্যাল অ্যাকশন দেয়ার ইজ দ্য অ্যান্টিব্যাকটেরিয়াল অ্যাকশন প্রডিউস করে। Now going to the nomenclature of that compound. So nomenclature of that compound, they had it that we can consider as a parent groups, that is the salicylic acid, and at the salicylic acid it is the content at the 5 position. So we can write down the 5 position in the bracket. At the 5 position it is the content of group sulfapyridine. So now coming to the last part of the that. In the para position of the benzene, it is the content the pyridine, 2-pyridinyl sulfonamide. So 2-pyridinyl sulfonamide, and this whole group is the present at the para position of the benzene. So this is the benzene, or that is the, you can write down, that is the phenyl ring system, and after you can close down the bracket and you can write, that is the another bracket required, and you can write down, that is the at the para position that is the azo, and then that is the salicylic acid. So normally in the nomenclature, parent compound should be written as the last of the nomenclature system. So salicylic acid at the 5 position, it is the content para pyridinyl sulfonamide phenyl azo. So by the when the synthesis scheme of that, so easily you can consider that it is the synthesized from the, that is the pyridine, sulfapyridine, and sulfapyridine is the first react with the diazo coupling. This is the reaction occurs is the diazo coupling reaction, and diazo coupling reaction in that cases normally it is the treated with NaNO2. This NH2 first, that is the to convert it is the N double bond O, that is the azo linking convert করতে গেলে, that is the treated. This is the reaction is the known as the diazo coupling reaction. When it is the converted part, that is the aryl diazonium salt, and aryl diazonium salt is the it is the produces the diazo ring system, and by the when it is the react with the 5-amino salicylic acid. So 5-amino salicylic acid in the presence of the NO2, it is the form compound which is the sulfasalazine. So the synthesis of that compound, it is the easily we react the sulfapyridine with the 5-amino salicylic acid, which is subjected for the diazo coupling reaction in the presence of the NaNO2, which is required for that producing aryl diazonium compound. So which is further produce the azo linking the sulfasalazine compound. So normal, that is the metabolized in that cases. So in the metabolized, and it is the breakdown of compound of sulfasalazine, so that this compound is the this is the produce the 3-sulfapyridine, which is required for the activity. Sulfonamides, this is the having, you see the structure of the sulfonamide, that is the container NH2 group at the 4th position. This is the N4, and N1, that is the contain SO2 NH2. So NH2 means that is the NHR. So R means heterocyclic compound. This sulfonamide, it is the normally metabolized for all that sulfonamides, That is the two types of the metabolism. One is the acetylation, which is attacked at the NH2 group 3 amino group, and acetylation is the occurs here is the NH COCH3 is the attached and is the normally eliminated through the kidney. Okay, and another one is the occurs, that is the NH2 metabolism, and that is the N-glucuronidation and glucuronidation. This is the occurs, and glucuronic acid is the attached at the 3 amino part of that. So this is the phase 2 metabolism of that. This the conjugation reaction. By the conjugation reaction, it is the easily metabolized, and it is these all sulfonamide drugs are the easily excreted through the urine ring system. Now coming to the sulfonamides, this drugs that is a cotrimoxazole, which is an important sulfur containing antibacterial drug, and cotrimoxazole, which is the combination of the cotrimoxazole. This is the combination of the two drugs. These two drugs are the one is the sulfa methoxazole and another one is the trimethoprim. So sulfa methoxazole and trimethoprim, and so these two drugs, when it is these two drugs used as an antibacterial, and this combination form is known as the cotrimoxazole. Here it is available in the fixed dose to gain their plasma concentration, and these are the fixed dose, that is the 1:5. So 1 proportion trimethoprim, while 5 proportion of the sulfomethoxazole is used combinedly for the therapy. This is known as the cotrimoxazole. So as we know that is a sulfamethoxazole, it is a sulfa containing drug, and trimethoprim, it is the not a sulfa containing drug, it is the diamino pyrimidine derivative. So this is the sulfonamides, and trimethoprim is the diamino pyrimidine derivative. So there are the two different category or nucleus having the pharmacophore in the cotrimoxazole. So trimethoprim diamino pyrimidine derivative, and this trimethoprim having the antibacterial action itself, and because the similar diamino pyrimidine another derivatives, these are known as the pyrimethamine, and pyrimethamine it is the anti-malarial drug. So this is the also diamino pyrimidine derivative, but trimethoprim it is having the lower the anti-malarial activity. In anti-malarial activity कम but anti-bacterial activity बेसी. तो trimethoprim mechanism action जो तुमरा देखो पावा, it is that produces the folic acid. So indirectly we can say in the opposite word, folic acid for the synthesis of the folic acid, PABA is the or para-amino benzoic as the essential compound, and folic acid which is the important constituents of the nucleic acid synthesis. So PABA in the human in the bacterial cell, PABA it is the converted to the trihydrofolic acid. Before going it converted to the dihydrofolic acid, which is further reduced to produce the trihydrofolic acid. So dihydrofolic acid and trihydrofolic acid. Here this dihydrofolic acid synthesis by the enzyme, that is the folate synthase. And this folate synthase enzyme, this process is the blocked by the sulfonamide drugs. This blocked by the sulfonamide category of the drug. In the case of the cotrimoxazole, the sulfomethoxazole, this is block the process of the formation of the dihydrofolic acid from the palm by inhibition of the folate synthase. And another one is from the dihydrofolic acid they form the trihydrofolic acid, and this is the enzyme involved in that process is known as the dihydrofolate reductase. So this enzyme is the responsible for this conversion from the dihydrofolic acid to the trihydrofolic acid, and this process is blocked by the enzyme. This is known as the this enzyme is blocked by the drugs. No, this is the trimethoprim. So normally folic acid আমাদের দেহে মানে হিউম্যানের দেহে তৈরি হয় না. So this sulfonamides can't be affect the folic acid synthesis of the human body because আমাদের দেহে folic acid as a ready-made dietary food নিতে হয় by the administration or in the form of the food we can আমরা নেই the folic acid. And another one is the trimethoprim, which is the block the dihydrofolate reductase, and it's having the higher affinity to the inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, and it's having the 50,000 more active against the bacterial dihydrofolate reductase. So আমাদের ফলিক অ্যাসিড যেটা ডায়েটের থ্রু আমরা নেই সেটার মেটাবলিজমে কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না, কারণ ট্রাইমিথোপ্রিম only 100 times more active against the dihydrofolate reductase which is secreted in the bacteria. So it's having a lower affinity to the human dihydrofolate reductase. Okay, so this trihydrofolate, it is with binding with the thymidine, it is the form DNA or RNA, and according to DNA containing bacteria or RNA containing bacteria. So this is the produce the nucleic acid. So this all about cotrimoxazole and mechanism action. So when the combination of the trimethoprim, which is the attack the dihydrofolate reductase, and another one is the sulfamethoxazole, which is the attack the folate synthase. So there is the combination mechanism is the occurs, and this pathway is the blocked by the two process, so that this produce the synergistic effects, and synergistic effect of the synergistic effects of antibacterial. So this is the normally used as a treatment of the widely used in the as a antibacterial treatment. Okay, so now going to the structure of synthesis of the trimethoprim. Trimethoprim, and it is the contain the diamino pyrimidine derivative, and here it is the contain the pyrimidine, which is the from the starting that 1 2 3 4, so 2,4 diamino pyrimidine derivative of that, and this nomenclature is the right there. This is the at the 2,4 diamino So these are 2,4 diamino pyrimidine ring system. So pyrimidine is the parent compound, so it is written at the last part. So diamino after that is the 5, and in the 5 position it is the further substituted with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this about the 3.4.5 trimethoxy, and this is the attached with the benzene with the CH2 group. So this is the known as the benzyl group. As benzyl group, that is the benzene which is the CH2 attached with the CH2, this is the benzyl, and on the case of the benzoyl, this is the attached with the CO group. So this is the benzyl group, and after the benzyl it is the final parent compound, that is the pyrimidine. So this is the structure of that compound, and which is the different from the pyrimethamine, which is the diamino pyrimidine derivative, which is the used as an anti-malarial drug. The structure is which is also contain diamino, and is the pyrimidine ring system, and at the 5 position it is attached with the directly attached. No, its methyl bridge is having directly attached with the para-chloro ring system. So this is the para-chloro, and at the 5 position this is the para-chloro, and at the 6 position here is the another ethyl group is the attached, that is the CH2 CH3 or C2H5. So this is the structure of the pyrimethamine, which is the closely related structure with the trimethoprim, but this pyrimethamine which is acts as an anti-malarial drug, and this trimethoprim which is acts as a antibacterial drug. And trimethoprim, it is the normally used in the combination of the sulfamethoxazole for the urinary tract infection. Okay, now going to the synthesis route of that, and it can be synthesized in the 2 synthetic route. Now coming to the one by one. So this is the synthesis route 1. In that cases we taken the cinnamic acid derivative, and this is the cinnamic acid which is the dihydro, and cinnamic acid contain that this is portion, it is a contain a double bond, so which is the dihydro, so it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3, 4, 5 trimethoxy dihydrocinamic acid, then ethyl ester. We treated with the ethyl ester of the formic acid. So this is the also known as the ethyl formic acid. Ethyl ester of the formic acid is treated with that compound in the presence of the base. It is the formylation is the occurs, and that cases the at the carbon position CH2, this is the substituted with the C2H5, and another one is the by formation of the double bond, it is the form the enol group. So you can see there is the in the pyrimethamine there is the formation of the methyl group is the we can obtain. So further they are treated with the guanidine, and guanidine contain the 3 nitrogen, where the double bond is the easily attached with the carbonyl compound, and another NH2 lone pair is the attached this double bond of the CHOH, and heterocyclization reaction is the occurs, and heterocyclization reaction, this NH2N, this is the produce the pyrimidine ring system, which is the attached with the trimethoxy benzyl ring, and that case this is the at the 2 position, this is the hydroxy group is the attached, and this hydroxy group is the further, this hydroxy group is the further, it is the treated with the POCl3 for the chlorination, and after that amination by the using solution of the ammonia, we can find that the we can make a compound which is having the at the 4th position amine. So this is the produce the trimethoprim, so which is the containing diaminopyrimidine ring system with the which is attached with the trimethoxy benzyl. So this is the synthetic route. So another synthesis route, that is the of the synthesis of the trimethoprim, where we are taking the starting material compound estate of the cinnamic dihydrocinamic acid ethyl ester. We taking the 3,4,5 trimethoxy benzoldehyde, and this benzoldehyde is the react with the nitrile, protonitrile, which is the 3-ethoxy. So that is the C111O, and add 1, 2, 3, that is the ethoxy. So 3-ethoxy propionitrile, it is the react with the benzaldehyde. So here we are found the condensation reaction, and that cases this is the produces the CH double bond C. So that is the C111N. Another one is that is the produce CH2OC2H5 1 2 3 4, and here it is the 1 2 3 4. So this compound is the form, that is the benzyl derivative is the form from the benzaldehyde, and further it is the react with the same reaction occurred, that is the guanidine. And guanidine is react with that, and the heterocyclization is the occurs at pyrimidine ring has been produced, which is the 2,4 diamino ring system. So it is the produce the pyrimethamine, which is the benzyl group, and trimethoxy, and that portion benzyl group trimethoxy, and it is the produces the 2,4 diamino when it is the react with the guanidine. So this is the two synthetic route of that. So in that cases, so first one is the in that cases formylation is the occurs, and second method in the both cases they are the by the heterocyclization then produces the trimethoprim. ইউজেস অলরেডি আমি বলে দিয়েছি, কোট্রিম অক্সাজলের সাথে কম্বিনেশন ফর্মে ইউজ হয় ইন দা রেশিও অফ দা 1:5, and it is the use for the infection, treat the infection of the urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection, and as well as the others antibacterial activity produces. So it is the in the year of the 1980, it is first approved by the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, for the treatment of the urinary tract infection. So the last one of the sulfonamide category, this is the sulfone drug, and sulfone drug it is the different from the sulfur containing antibacterial drug, and this is the contain the sulfonamide, and but this is the sulfone drug, which is the prototype sulfone drug is known as the dapsone. Dapsone, this is the also known as the DDS. The structure, that is the two benzene ring which is the attached by the sulfone ring, sulfone, that is by the sulfone, and this is the linkage, and this sulfone linkage is the attached to benzene which is the substituted with the amine. So this is the IPSC known of that compound, that is the 4,4-sulfonyl dianiline, and dianiline is the occurs which is the and 4 and 4 dot position. So IPSC name as that compound for sulfonyl 4,4 dot dianiline. So the drug exerts antibacterial action and in the treatment of the normally leprosy. As we know, the leprosy is the causes by the Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae. So for the treatment of the leprosy, and leprosy, that is known as the kushto in the Bangla jake bole, and it is the one of the disease যেটা গ্রামে গঞ্জে সাধারণত দেখা যেত, বাট পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে এটা due to the availability of the various drugs it can be treatable, এবং এটা ট্রিট হওয়ার জন্য এখন অনেকটাই কমেছে. So this is the caused by the Mycobacterium leprae, which is the treated by the prototype sulfone category drug known as the dapsone. It is the sulfone derivative, and dianiline is the attached with the sulfone linkage. The mechanism action is the similar to the sulfonamides, and it is the blocked by the PABA insertion in the folic acid. So folic acid cannot be synthesized, and this is the it is the having the free amino group. It is the also metabolized as well like the sulfonamides category. So this is the that is the metabolized by the acetylation and glucuronidation, and this is synthesis scheme of that is the two benzene molecule is the first taken obtained. Two benzene molecule for sulfonation is the occurred, so in the presence of the H2SO4, so that it is the produce the sulfone ring system, and further it is the amination is the occurs by the first nitration, and nitration is the occurs in the presence of the nitric acid and H2SO4. So both benzene is the nitrated at the 4 and 4 dot position. So nitration is the occurs which is the on the reduction of with the HCl or tin hydrochloric acid. The dapsone is the formed NH2 NH2. So this is the reaction when the first sulfonation, after that nitration, and nitration, that is the reduction. Starting material is the benzene, two benzene molecule. So dapsone in the combination of the rifampicin, it is the prevent the multibacillary leprosy. As I said, these are used as a treatment of the leprosy, and this is the also used in the combination of the rifampicin to treat the various type of the leprosy, and it is also in the combination of the clofazimine, which is another drug also treat in the leprosy, treatment of the leprosy. Dapsone in the pyrimethamine, as I say, that is the sulfamethoxazole and pyrimethamine. One is the both are the antibacterial drug for the synergistic effects of the antibacterial. So dapsone or and pyrimethamine. This is the use in the treatment or prevention of the malaria. Dapsone and trimethoprim, and these two drugs is the treatment of the DCP, that is the pneumocytosis carni pneumonia. So this is the also treatment of the pneumonia when dapsone is the combined, dapsone is the administered with the trimethoprim. Okay, so this is all about your unit 4, and that is the sulfonamides and various sulfons as category drug, and asterisk marks যে সমস্ত ড্রাগে তোমার স্টার মার্ক আছে ইন ইওর সিলেবাস, সেগুলো সিনথেসিস তোমরা ভালো করে মনে রেখো। প্লাস আমি যে কটা সিনথেসিস তোমাদের দেখিয়েছি অন দ্য ড্রাগে, যে সমস্ত ড্রাগের সিনথেসিস আমি মেনশন করেছি সেগুলো তোমরা মনে রেখো। স্টার্টিং মেটেরিয়াল বাস মনে রাখার চেষ্টা করো, বিকজ ফ্রম দ্য স্টার্টিং মেটেরিয়াল ইউ ক্যান ইজিলি সিনথেসাইজ দ্য ফাইনাল ড্রাগ কম্পাউন্ড, and starting material you have to remember only the starting material and compound, and further you have to remember the what the process involved. So here there is the starting material benzene and involve the sulfonation, so that we can sulfone linkage can be developed, and after the nitration and then there is the nitrate reduction. So starting material of every drug is the important for the synthesis. Mechanism action in details আমি study করিয়েছি, also তোমরা ready করে নাও। You can refer any reference book for the MOA, you can refer the medicinal chemistry FOS or also Wilson kit for medicinal chemistry. For the classification and mechanism action and pharmacology part, you can use KD Tripathi, Pharmacology by KD Tripathi, 8th edition available, also 7th edition also available, and যদি কারো কোনো ডাউট থাকে সালফোনামাইড ক্যাটাগরি, that is the synthetic antibacterial, and you can ask me personally. Thank you all of you.